ChefAide 5 Pieces Silicone Spatula Set, description ***. Upgrade your kitchen essentials with the ChefAide 5 Pieces Silicone Spatula Set. Made from premium food-grade silicone, these spatulas are safe, BPA-free, and gentle on non-stick cookware, helping prevent scratches and damage. The upgraded strong handles feature an ergonomic grip for comfortable and secure handling during cooking, baking, mixing, and scraping. Designed to withstand temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit 315 degrees Celsius. These heat-resistant spatulas are perfect for use with hot foods and cookware. The flexible silicone heads make it easy to scrape bowls clean, fold ingredients, spread batter, and stir sauces with precision. Durable, easy to clean, and dishwasher-safe, this versatile 5-piece set is an excellent addition to any kitchen.